Howdy! Welcome to Easy Content Manager. Today, I'll show you how to create custom fields group step by step. In your WordPress dashboard, go to Content Manager, Field Groups, Add Field Group. At the top, enter a group name. Label Edit option. Field label. This is the name which will appear on the edit page. Field name. Single word, no spaces. Underscores and dashes allowed. Default value. Appears when creating a new post. Validation. Set basic rules. Keep rules simple, so editors understand what to enter. Conditional logic. Show or hide this field based on other field values in the same group. Add conditions as needed to keep the form clean. Click Save Field Groups at any time to store your progress. Advanced settings, location rules, controls where this field group appears in the admin. Show this group if, example rule, post type is equal to post. Click And to add more rules within the same set. Group settings. Active and delete your existing field groups. That's how easily you can create a custom fields group in Easy Content Manager. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe.